The message of the day is, if you have a lease car right now and you're looking to get into another vehicle, don't just go to the dealership and turn your vehicle back in. Get your vehicle appraised and see how much your vehicle is worth. Sell that car to the dealership, use it as a trade-in, and get money from the dealer. But you know what? Play one dealer against another dealer when you have a lease and your lease is up. You want to get the most for your trade. You don't want to let the dealer steal your trade. Why not get the extra $2,000 in your pocket? They may appraise it for $23,000 and you might owe $20,000 on your car. That's $3,000 you can put in your pocket. But down the street, they might have gave you $25,000. So what is that, extra $2,000 in your pocket? Get the money and put it in your pocket. Times are not like they used to be. Don't shop like your mama did, or your daddy did, or your granddaddy did. You gotta shop with the current times right now. See, the problem is, you can't shop like your mama did, your daddy did, your uncle did, your grandfather did. If you need to do your homework by Googling, or just talking to people and finding out what they're doing when they're getting out their lease, do your homework. Because when you walk in a dealership, the only thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna look out for us. We're gonna look out what's best for us, putting the money in our pocket. But with me, I'm looking out for you. That's why they call me Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. Now, if you watch this video, I need you to go on over to my YouTube channel, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit, and subscribe. Go on over to my YouTube page and subscribe, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit. And I'll see you on the next video.